once you open the application, will ask you to get connected. All right, where you can just tap on the OK option here, and you'll be connected in. So I've reviewed a bunch of these VPN applications, and as you can see, you only get 3 minutes of connection time, which is very crazy. I'm not sure why people use this application, but anyways, I'm going to show you how to use it. So once you're connected to this VPN application here, you do have the map option here. Nothing much, just to show you locations and so forth. Get this the speed of the VPN connection. It's relatively normal speed, unlike the others. Very decent speed, nothing much for it. As well, you can tap on the add time option, being able to add time to the VPN connection. As you can see here, we're only given 4 minutes of added connection time, which is crazy. And you pretty much can tap on it forever, but 4 minutes of connection time, in no time you're disconnected. So I'm not sure why people keep using these applications. They have a bunch of downloads on them, and I'm not sure how people use these. But anyways, that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you do want to disconnect this VPN here, all you have to do is tap on this option at the top here, and then tap on the disconnect options. And as well, you do get the option for you to go back and select the server that they have here. As you can see here, they also have other servers like Line and Sirius TV. I'm not sure what those are, but yeah, those are the servers. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, see if I can help you out.